does work-life balance look like? Come with us as we go to a 3 days, 2 nights workation, date and time with friends. Raw vlog kung raw vlog ito. First stop, coffee. Quick stop, kailangan magpagas. And that is a success. Next stop, kailangan namin humanap ng kainan. And we're here. That is a success. Next stop, we're staying ulit sa Yawe. And we're currently here. Here, nasa room, now we rest. And we're here. Here's the gang. And we're here. Hey. And that is a success. Decompress lang na very, very light. And the next stop, food. And we're here. 5 a.m. day 2 morning breakfast. On our way to the graduation. Kasama namin ang graduating. Hey! Emergency grocery run. Here at SM, merong corned beef na may boy bawang. And ladies and gentlemen, that is a success. Stop kakain. And we're here. And that is a success. Now, babalik na kami sa hotel para matulog. Slept for 2 hours and now we're ready for dinner. And we're here. And that is a success. Going back to the hotel para mag-swim-swim. Day 3. Also, hindi pala kami nakapag-swim-swim. Nag-sleep talaga ako ng marami. Coffee, breakfast, morning dip. Also, nagdala kami ng napakaraming samples kasi ang gandang mag-film dito. Hi, baby! Love you. Happy Father's Day. Brunch. I love it. On our way home. And we're here. We're home. Nakapag-shower na din. That is it for this vlog and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!